Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, it's here. Divi's just released Divi 4.0. Actually, I'm on 4.2 right now. And it's got some amazing new features. The biggest, of course, is the theme builder feature. So we're just going to take a quick look at that in this little video here. So let's go back to our dashboard. So if we go down to Divi, the first thing you're going to see that's different here is it's got a theme builder title here. So let's click on that and see what we've got. So here we are. It's opened up the Divi theme builder page, and we can add global headers, global body, global footer. At the moment I'm not interested in doing globals, but I would like to play perhaps and do some different headers for different pages. So let's see if we can't do that. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new template, and it's already asked me where I want to apply this template. Now if you're not sure, you can just select anything you want, but I'm going to go for a specific page. Let's say About Us. Okay, so whatever I build here is now going to be applied to the About Us. Let's create the template, add a custom header, build the custom header. Okay, let's just go back to our site. I think I've got it open, or I can open it here. I've got 3 or 4 pages. At the moment my regular nav bar is white background, blue logo, etc. So let's make one that's slightly different and apply it to a different page. So here's our builder. I'm going to build it from scratch. Only want one row. Inside that row I'm going to put a menu because it's a sort of nav bar. And the menu that I'm using on my normal one is main. Of course, if you've got different menus, you can use different menus on different things. Let's put a logo in there. I'm going to use my regular logo or whatever it is I've been using with this site here. Upload the image. Move this over so we can see. Okay, that's pretty cool. We got the logo, we got the menu. It's a little wider than I want there, but we can adjust that with our sections. Okay. Just save that as it is at the moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the section. I'm going to get rid of all this padding they got going on here. Simply drag it up like that, or you can go into the module itself and set it to 0. There we go. That's the sort of heading I'm looking for here. Now let's actually put a bit of design in there. For the section, I'm going to give it a background color. I'll use that blue that I quite often use there. And of course that looks pretty awful with that white background behind the menu. That's fine. All I'm going to do is I'll go into the actual menu itself, the black module toggle here, and go to the background. Just click on the color there, and I'm going to make it completely transparent so it just shows through. There we go. That's a bit more like it. Could take that padding down yet more, I guess, if I wanted to. Now then, let's start designing our menu text. Well, I want that white in color. Active link color, don't know yet. But the actual menu items, I want them white. That's fine. I'd like to have them over to the right hand side. So let's just fix that with the text alignment. There we go. We can do various things to the logo and icon here, but I'm going to keep it pretty simple today. Leave it pretty much like that. You've got some options here for your content. Logo elements. You can show shopping cart if you're using WooCommerce, and you can show search icon, of course. So I think I'm going to leave it like that, and let's see if it's actually applied it. So we've got to save this. We'll save our changes. Just X out. Now I think I applied that to the About page. If you're not sure, just hit the little link cog up there, or the little settings cog I should say, and it'll show you what you've put in there. So I've applied this to the About Us. Let's save the changes. Let's go back to our site, do a quick refresh. There's our home page. Now when I go to the About page, it should have that new menu. I guess I should have made it a lot different looking. There we go, it's got that sort of blue one. You can style it differently, you can have it in the middle, you can have different colors. And of course, you can do content body and custom footers, you can have different ones on different pages. You can do blog posts and things like that. We'll be going over that more in future videos, but this was just a quick look there at the new Divi 4 theme builder. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's going to be really useful. So there's one quick example for you. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Your comments really do help me to decide what videos to make more of. If you're interested in web development, take a look down below. We've got some great free courses down there, as well as some premium courses with some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. So do check it out. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.